Once you have your file uploaded to your post, if you'd like to create a button, then this is how we'll do that. First of all, this file, it's highlighted, and if you don't have any other content, sometimes it's really hard to click around it. So the first thing I like to do is go to text, and then click out of this, and put a couple of lines and do like just dummy text. So I can go back to my visual editor, and it makes it really easy to click at different spots. Now if I click on this, and then I right click, I can copy this link address. Then I can highlight this, delete, and then click this Add ET button. I put the link URL, I'm gonna copy paste what I just did. I can pick the small or big. I like to do big personally. And then for link text, this is what the button's gonna say. So you would say view report. Actually, in this case, it'll say view something funny. And then I like to open a new window and then click OK. And it's gonna show this really weird formatting. And basically this is telling the computer, the open bracket is saying, I'm doing something from within WordPress, but I'm doing some coding. And I'm coding specifically for a button that's going to have the link that's here. The type is going to be big, and it's going to, yes, in a new window it's going to open. And then this is what it's going to say on the button, and then there's the button. This is just coding stuff. You don't really have to know much about it, but that's what's going on. Now if I go back to text, it's a little bit easier to see where one coding starts and the other ends. If I go to the end of this and I hit delete, now they're right next to each other. And I can put a space bar to give a little bit of a space. And then when I hit publish, it's going to put all that stuff where it goes. So even though visually in the visual editor it doesn't look exactly like it's going to visually, when I click on this and go to that page, it's going to show you this view something funny and something funny. If you look at the bottom, the link is going to be exactly the same. It's that something funny PDF. So that's how that's going to go. And then when you go back, you of course can change the publishing date. You can edit that to something in the past, or you can do something in the future, and then you can schedule it. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do that as well. And so if you were scheduling for say Monday on Friday, this would be a good way to do that.